You will love the features of this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, remote engine start, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, power liftgate. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.